everyone, welcome to Biology Study Point. In this video, we will talk about the nutrition. So basically, what is nutrition? The process of taking in food and converting into energy and other vital nutrients for the growth and development of our body. It's called nutrition. Alright, and what is nutrients? Nutrients are the substances which required for our growth, our life processes. For example, any minerals, vitamins, carbohydrates, these are the nutrients. All living organisms require nutrients for their functioning and their body growth. And if we talk about the types of nutrition, so nutrition is of two types. First one is autotrophic and second one is heterotrophic. First is autotrophic and second one is heterotrophic. Heterotrophic. So, if we talk about the autotrophic nutrition, if we check our phone, we saw there autoplay, auto brightness. So, auto means self. Auto means self. So, those organisms which can make their food by themselves are called autotrophic nutrition or comes under autotrophic nutrition. For example, green plants. Only green plants can make their food by themselves because they have chlorophyll in it. Chlorophyll is a green pigment which helps the plant to make their food by themselves, and this process is called photosynthesis. Next is heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition found in those organisms which are dependent on autotrophic for their nourishment, growth, development, functioning. They are dependent on autotrophic. Example of autotrophic are only green plants. For example, the cabbage, carrot, the mango tree, neem tree, all are autotrophic because they have green pigment. But heterotrophic are example of what heterotrophic is: human beings, animal body, any fungi. Alright, those who can't make the food by themselves comes under heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic by themselves, heterotrophic are dependent on autotrophic. Done? Now, if we talk about the autotrophic nutrition, it is found in only green plants, and the whole process, the food making process of green plants is called photosynthesis. Let's talk about photosynthesis. Alright, here photo stand for light and synthesis stand for formation. Synthesis stand for formation. So, the formation of food in presence of in presence of sunlight is called photosynthesis. If we talk about the process of photosynthesis, so the first step of photosynthesis is green plant trap the sunlight with the help of chlorophyll. So, first step is chlorophyll trap the sunlight. After this, the sunlight is a light energy, then the light energy will convert into chemical energy. Light energy is the raw material and it will be converted to chemical energy. After this, the third process is splitting of splitting of water molecules, H2O. H2O will split down into hydrogen and oxygen. Third process. Number fourth is carbon dioxide gas will be perform photosynthesis and it will help to make glucose. Alright. So this is the whole process of photosynthesis where carbon dioxide plus water, it gives glucose. Glucose is C6H12O6 plus oxygen and water molecule, and energy will be released. So this is the whole process of photosynthesis. It is the topic of autotrophic nutrition where we have studied photosynthesis, which means the process of food making in green plants where photo stand for light and synthesis stand for formation. Next we have done the reaction. Next we will talk about the heterotrophic nutrition. Those organisms which are dependent on autotrophic nutrition are called heterotrophic nutrition.